frozen steak. That's right, frozen ribeyes. Hey, if you like your steak rare or medium rare, this is a great technique. And make sure to stay with me. We're going to make up a new compound butter to go with it. I've got 1 stick of butter here that's been sitting out about a half hour. 2 tablespoons minced, diced up chives. 2 tablespoons horseradish, right? Now we're going to put a little pepper in. And I don't know how much that is. I usually just pepper it till it looks good to me. I'd say 1/8 to 1/4 of a teaspoon. And this is a 3 pepper pepper grinder. It's got 3 different kinds of peppercorns in it. I mean, you can just use the regular old black, right? Now I've got some saran wrap here. Okay. Just going to sit that like so. Get our compound butter out on the saran wrap. There we go. And if I didn't mention it, I'm using salted butter. I almost always use salted butter. Okay. Now, I should get better at being a saran wrapper. What I want to do is squish this out so I'll make it longer. There we go. Okay. There. And all we're going to do here, right? No magic. Just wrap this up in the saran wrap like so. Get this back in the fridge and let it set up while we cook these steaks. That's right. You hear that? We got 1, 2. 2 ribeyes. This one's bone in. Oh, this one's bone in. You can see this one's a little thicker. Frozen solid. Let's get them over to this Pit Boss. Our Pit Boss is at 500 degrees. Okay. Going to get these 2 frozen steaks on here. Let them go 2.5 minutes. All right, it's been 2.5 minutes. I'm going to turn these guys over. Been 2.5 more minutes, so that's 5 minutes now we're looking at. Okay. Turn these guys over again. Get the lid back, 2.5 more. All right, so it's been 7.5 minutes total, right? Let's take a look. Still don't have a really good crosshatch on that one. I think what I'm going to do is let it go. Oh, yeah. We're going to let it go another minute on this side. If you see this other one in the shot, it's not frozen. That's a 3rd steak I'm cooking for my son. All right. Now, let's turn these guys over. Look at that. We're starting to get some nice crosshatch on it. Get this one flipped over. Okay. Going 2.5 more minutes, and I'm hoping they'll be done. Okay. 2.5 more minutes. Done. Okay. We're going to get this one off. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, she looks nice. All right. I'm hoping we've got rare to medium rare. We'll soon find out. So, we got that thick one here. I got that butter that we made. And we're going to let this steak rest, right? Now, this butter didn't set up as much as I would have liked. I mean, you can see it's set up, just not as much as I liked. What I'm going to do is put a couple pieces of butter on here. And we're going to let this steak rest for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to cut into it. Like I say, I'm hoping it's rare because you know who, Tammy, likes her steak rare. It's probably not been a full 10 minutes. Let me see if we can't just cut this bone off. Like I say, I'm hoping this is rare. Tammy's inside making a fruit salad. She likes her steak rare. Okay. Just cut this bad boy right down the middle. What do you say? Does it look rare to you? I gotta tell you, Tammy is gonna love this. I don't know anybody that won't say that's not rare. Okay. All right. I'm going to cut this in two. We're going to give this, oh, look how tender it is. Just pulls apart. We're going to give this a taste test. All right, we got our steak here with a little bit of that butter on it. First of all, the steak's delicious, but that butter, that horseradish butter, that's to die for. Like I said, we're going for rare today. I made this steak for Tammy. If you want it medium rare to medium, you just cook it, you know, probably, another a minute each time. You know, we turned it 4 times, right? Cook it, flip it again, flip it again. Just add another minute each time if you want it medium rare, or maybe 30 seconds. And if you want to cook more, well, you'll have to adjust a little bit more. I never make a steak that's medium, so I can't quite tell you exactly how long to cook it when it's medium. One thing's for sure, if you're looking to get a steak rare or medium rare, freezing it is a very simple way to go, still full of flavor.